जितली वर्सां मायन चलयला 50 years एंड अबाव, तेजो इम्पॅक्ट त्या गांवचेर कितें जाला तो एसेस करून ह्या रिपोर्टान घालपाक जाय. जशें गांवच्या लोकांनी सबमीट केल्लेलें आहा, देर इज ह्युमॅनिगस इम्पॅक्ट ऑन एनवायरमेंट, water bodies, water tables of the past mining operation. That data is not available in this report. So this amounts to deficiency of data. This is my second point. Third point, EIA notification was mandatory as per 1994 notification. आणि त्या टायमार 5 वर्साचे EC मेळटाली. तांकां 2005 ते 2006 दरम्यान EC मेळ्ळली. ती एक्सपायर जाताली 2011. त्याच्या फुडें तेंच्यांनी कितें केलें, जेन्ना 2015 ते 2018 जेन्ना मायन चलयली तेन्ना तेंचे कडेन वॅलीड EC नासलेली. सो गव्हर्नमेंट आतां तेणी EC नासतना मायनिंग केली म्हणून कितें एक्शन घेतली तेंचेर? जशें गांवच्या लोकांनी सबमिशन्स केल्लेले आहा की पानेकार ही जी कंपनी आहा ती लॉ अँड ऑर्डर फॉलो करिना. तो हेज्या पयलीं तेणी डिफॉल्ट केल्लेले आसा, लॉस ब्रेक केल्लेले आसा, आनी तरी आसतना तेका हेज्या फुडें आनीक 50 वर्सांक लागून EC ग्रांट करप, दिस इज नॉट रायट. And that is the reason I am having strong objections against granting this EC to Mrs. Panekar.
There is no environment and ecology in village. Granting of the environment clearance to the mining project is a big question mark. The NIRI report itself speaks that all these violations, where there is no environment, no ecology has been totally disturbed. Here the question is arises whether this authority can grant the election, the environment clearance or not, because there your authority conduct a survey in the village, entire village. So as of today, you can see that there is no environmental water, there is some degradation is found. Trees are fallen, big hills are not there. That is only the question arises whether the authority can give the environment clearance or not.